Example number 1. Calculate the quantity of material for the following items. A. RCC 1:2:4 for 20 meter cube of work. B. RCC 1:3:6 for 15 meter cube of work. We have to find out quantity of material. RCC, reinforced cement concrete. In that case, we know that cement, sand, aggregate, this proportion we have to find out in this numerical. For A, RCC 1:2:4 for 20 meter cube of work. B, RCC 1:3:6 for 15 cubic meter of work. Let us say A part. For this A part, we have to calculate the quantity of material. Quantity of cement which is required for this case. Quantity of cement, let us say we know that 52% of dry volume we have to consider. 52% of dry volume we have to consider for in case of reinforced cement concrete. We have one of the standard formula for the determination of quantity of material. Content of material upon sum of proportion. In that case, actually what happen in 1:2:4 proportion, content of cement is there 1, content of sand is 2, content of coarse aggregate is 4. In this case, we required to find out the quantity of cement. In that case, 1 is the content of cement, 1 to 4 is the sum of proportion, 1.52 is the dry volume. With the initial volume, we have to add 52% more for the dry volume. 20 is the quantity of material, then is equal to the 4.14 meter cube into 1440 is the specific gravity of cement, 50 is the one cement bag weight in kg, or we can take in this case 4.14 upon 0.035, then we get this cement bag. This is 119.26 bags, means this 120 cement bags. Let us say the next is there quantity of sand required is equal to, in this proportion, 2 is the content of sand, 1 to 4 is the sum of proportion into 1.52 into 20, 8.28 meter cube. Quantity of coarse aggregate, 4 is the content of coarse aggregate. This sum of proportion, that is 1 plus 2 plus 4 is into 1.52 into 20. This is the quantity of coarse aggregate. These are the very simple numerical that we have to find out quantity of material. Then let us see in a B part, RCC 1:3:6 for 15 meter cube of work. Let us say for this such numerical, how to approach. Quantity of cement required is equal to 1 is the content of cement in 1:3:6 proportion upon sum of proportion, that is into bracket 1 plus 3 plus 6 into 1.52 into 15, this is the 15, is equal to 2.28 meter cube into 1440 upon 50, or you can take this is divided or you can take that directly. You can consider this value as 1 upon 0.035. This we get the approximately this is 66 bags. Quantity of sand required. Content of sand in 1:3:6 proportion, 3 is the content of sand, sum of proportion is 10 multiplied by 1.52 into 15 is equal to 6.84 meter cube of quantity of sand required for 1:3:6 proportion of 50 meter cube. Quantity of coarse aggregate required in 1:3:6 proportion, 6 is the content of coarse aggregate upon sum of proportion into 1.52 into 15 is equal to 13.68 meter cube of coarse aggregate. Let us once again I have to repeat. In reinforced cement concrete we multiplied by 52% extra volume is considered. This is for the dry volume, wet volume. This kind of basic concept is there. Every terms we multiplied by 1.52 is nothing but in this case we required, or you can take with the this 52% addition is required, 52 upon 100, this value comes 1.52. These are the important terms. This numerical is very simple.